In today's video I'm going to tell how to get 100 sales pretty fast. This video is especially for the people who are struggling and trying to get some extra cash. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Wish. I have been print on demand business more than a year. I have also made $12,000. I'm here making print on demand content to motivate you guys and give you the tips and tricks to get your sales more. So guys, hit that subscribe button and also like, comment is appreciated. So let's get started. When I started Redbubble, I read a lot of articles and seen a lot of video, but the actually thing that helped me a lot is the experience which I gained from Redbubble by uploading designs, by doing the right things. At first I just set a goal to upload 100 designs on Redbubble. In the start it seems impossible as it requires a lot of effort and time. In the middle of something like 75 designs I felt burnout, but one day I woke up and saw an email saying you have made a sale. This brings a lot of motivation and courage to get more designs on Redbubble. Once you start growing in sales, like it is just like a rolling ball, snowball, it just keep on going and nothing can stop you from getting more and more sales. It will eventually comes and roll. This is it. And moreover, the best tip is to focus on trends, as most of the people do is that okay, I like dog, so let's make a design on dog. Here I want to say you will not get sales on it because there is a great competition in that niche. You have to use trending methods, which I have told up here. You should use this method to get more sales. Once you start getting sales, you can pile it up with the evergreen niches as well. At first I know it's really hard, but if you will be consistent and work hard, follow my advices and follow all the tips and tricks I have been telling you since I have made this YouTube account, you will definitely get the sales. So this is it guys. Redbubble is not an easy thing, but it's not impossible. You just have to be consistent and keep uploading designs again and again and again. Almost upload 5 designs daily. And as I set a target of 100 goals, and this experiment worked well for me, so you guys also have to upload 100 designs. Then after that you will start getting sales, and you will also get to know which designs are getting more traffic and getting more customers attention. Then you will guys able to make designs on that niche or that topic. So this is it guys. In the end I would just like to say, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and have a great day. Cheers.